Hello everyone, this is Jay and it's Sunday, so I'm gonna be giving you guys an update on both of my portfolios. What did I buy on Friday on both of the portfolios? And I also wanted to show you a stock that I'm doing some research with a short-term holding mindset on it. Like I did with Bank of America, I'll probably throw a lump sum on it and not hold it for many years, maybe just for a few years. But I'm gonna show you in a minute. First, let me show you the updates tab, which were the buys on my dividend portfolio. And I started with $30 into SCHD. Share price was at $83.26, and the ex dividend date for SCHD is coming up. It should be in 2 weeks, somewhere around there, or a week and a half. And I want to buy a little bit heavier into this ETF so I can get a larger dividend payment into it. You guys know I have the drip turned on this ETF, so it's gonna buy right back into SHD some more shares, which is awesome, and I'm excited for that. So next week also I might go even a little bit heavier than this buy on SCHD, but stay tuned for that. Then my next purchase was $10 into FXAIX S&P 500 Index Fund. Share price was at $195.88. And then my next purchase, Pfizer, $10, my only position in the red. Share price was at $29.19 for this position. Then I put another $10 into VYM at a share price of $125.95. And my last buy was Visa, $10 into Visa at a share price of $288.54. Visa is like really high right now, but I'm still gonna buy a little bit because my goal is 4 shares this year. Total in purchases $69.71. I did not make a large deposit into the dividend portfolio because I made a little bit of a larger purchase in my growth portfolio, which stay tuned for that. But let's take a look first at the dividend portfolio to see where it's at. And right now it is at $16,999. Almost broke the $17,000 mark in market value, but it was short by a couple cents pretty much. I'm in the positive by over $2,100 in this portfolio. And as you can see, performance 14% in the positive. I have $320 in cash. $10 of those is gonna go into Vici on Monday for the September weekly challenge. But as you can see, most of my positions are in the green right now, which is great. SCHD 12% in the green, and BYM 12% in the green. These two are the ETFs that are going to be paying me pretty soon. Ex-dividend date for both is coming up, which is awesome. And Bank of America also 35% in the green. FXAIX S&P 500 Index Fund. I'm sure this is performing very well for all of you because I'm sure probably about 90% of you are holding S&P 500 Index Fund, and it's 19% positive on my portfolio. Starbucks 18% on my portfolio in the positive. Maine 29%. Procter and Gamble 25% in the positive. Vici 13% in the positive right now. And I had to update the dividend increase that Vici gave. I did not update it the last time on my spreadsheet, but they now pay 0.4325 cents. So 43 and a quarter cents pretty much. And my yield on cost right now on this position, if you guys see right here, is 5.80%. Which is really nice. My cost per share is at $29.85. This is one REIT that I really like, and they have very nice dividend growth. And if you can see right here, estimated yearly dividends in the next 12 months from Vici, $32, $8 a quarter. So pretty much I get almost one full share. If it stays at the price that it's at right now, $33, I get almost one full share every year from dividends reinvested. Same thing with Old Realty Income. Look at this. Estimated yearly dividends, $91, which it gets me over a share, like a 1.5 share of Realty Income on a yearly basis with the drip turned on. On SCHD, I have the estimated yearly dividend from the dividends that they paid last year. I gotta update that. I gotta update the dividend, the estimated per quarter. But SCHD is almost the same thing, like a share and a half, maybe even 2 shares. It probably pays once I drip, because I have the drip turned on this. um, I probably get like almost 2 shares or 1 3/4 shares every year on SCHD from dividends. That's what I love about dividends. I love dividend investing. But let's go into the growth portfolio very quickly. And these were the purchases right here that I made into the dividend portfolio, into the growth portfolio, sorry. And then there was one dividend that I got reinvested. So, but first, let me take a look at the first purchase, which it was $30 into Google, ticker symbol GOOGL, at a share price of $157.13. I told you guys I am buying under 160. So I took some of the money, some of the deposit from the dividend portfolio, and I put it into the growth portfolio to buy some more Google. I wish it would have stayed in the 140s a few more days, like it was earlier in the week, but it did not. It went right back up. Investors started catching up that this company was all undervalued, and the forward earnings are looking good compared to the share price that is at right now. So I'm sure a lot of hedge funds, mutual funds started buying some more Google, and the super investors too. But I put $30 into Google, was my heaviest purchase this week. Then the next one was $10 into FNILX. Share price was at $20.05. And then I put another $10 into VGT, my information technology ETF from Vanguard, at a share price of $570.43. And then my dividend that I received from my Google position, 36 cents, reinvested right back into Google at $157.01. I do have the drip turned on Google, so you can pick up some more shares for me, right? For the future, I might sell Google in the future. I might keep it forever. I don't know. This is really not the portfolio that I wanted to hold, that I buy holdings to keep forever. To be honest with you, I kind of wanted to have this portfolio for shorter holding period mindset. Meaning, I invest in it, I hold it for a couple of years, sell it, get some profit, hopefully, and move some of that profit into the dividend portfolio to buy some more of my favorite dividend paying ETFs, or maybe even holdings, depending on what is cheaper at that time. And let's go into the growth portfolio very quickly to see. And right now it is at $1,576 in market value, in the positive by 14%. All my positions are in the green in this portfolio. $195 in the green. If you guys see, my best position right now is Amazon at 18.97% in the green, but it's only 10% of my holdings in this portfolio. I really want to grow Amazon some more, but it ran back up into the 180s. Right now it's at $186.49. And my second one is FNILX at 18.5%. VGT is at 17.4% in the green right now. I do want to buy some more VGT. This one I'll have like a 10-year mindset on it. Maybe I'll sell it before and then I'll start investing again. But I think 10 years is fine. And then I'll hopefully have some very nice gains to where I can put it right into SCHD. Then my next one is Tesla at 11.5% in the green right now. $292 in market value on this one. My cost per share is at 206. I was trying to bring down my cost because I started like around 215, 220 buying. And then I started buying like $5 here and there. And once it went down to under 200, then I started buying like $10 or so on a weekly basis. But I am in the green by 11%. And then on Google, I'm only up by 6% in this position, $20. I do want to buy some more, especially under 160. That's my price, the share price that I want to pay. Maybe I'll go a few more dollars over 160. I'm okay with that if by next Friday it is a little bit over 160, because I want to grow this position a little bit larger. But that is Google. And then I just wanted to take a quick look and tell you which stock is it that I'm looking into right now. And the stock I'm looking into is pretty much in the energy sector. And one of the super investors, one of my favorite ones, Warren Buffett, holds it and been buying. which is Oxy, ticker symbol OXY, Occidental Petroleum. And if you guys see, if we go into the oil and gas sector, you guys see it in the last month, the performance, almost all of it is in the red right now, especially the bigger companies like XOM, ExxonMobil, and CVX, Chevron. That's another one that I'm looking at. I'm looking into both of them, CVX and Oxy. Oxy's down 10% in the last month. And if we open it up, let's do the 3 month. And the last 3 months is down 14.63%. If we go into the super investors portfolio, Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway, you guys see that Warren Buffett in the previous quarter, from the F filing that they showed, they bought even more, 2% more. They grew that position in their portfolio in Berkshire Hathaway. And right now, the current price, it is at, if we go into the stock analysis tab, at $51.05. If we open the last year, you guys see it is down 23.74%. So right now, I'm seeing an opportunity here. The PE ratio for this company right now is at 13.19, and the forward PE 12.41. Earnings per share right now is at $4.06. That dividend is at 1.72%, 88 cents per share per year. And the ex-dividend date just passed, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it was on September 10th, and we're on September 15th. So the ex-dividend date already passed. But I see this as a nice opportunity right here to maybe do something like I'm doing with Bank of America, which I'm gonna be selling in the next year or so, or maybe even sooner. I'm not sure. I'm gonna take gains, move it to another holding that I want to also buy and grow the position a little bit more. But I'm still planning on that one first. But this one, if you guys see the forecast for Oxy right now, it is at a low of $60 a share, which is a 17% upside in the next 12 months. The average is at $71, which is a 40%, almost 40% upside. And then the high, $80, which is a 56% upside right here. They are estimating the revenue next year to go up by 8.8%, and the earnings per share next year 16.4%. So that's a very nice forecast for this company for this year. The revenue, they expect it to be up 1%, over 1% in the positive, and the earnings per share a 0.25% in the positive. So I am looking into this company a little bit more. Any of you guys that hold Oxy on your portfolio, or have you been buying as of lately Oxy in your portfolio? Please leave it in the comment section. I really would like to know any opinions and any information that I need to look into, because I'm gonna be doing some research on this one, on this company, and I might do a similar plan to what I did with Bank of America. Put a lump sum, hold it for some time, maybe 2 years time frame. This one I'll probably do like 1.5 year, maybe 2 years, and then probably sell it if I get some very, very nice gains, right? We cannot predict the future. We can only go by the numbers, but their financials look like they're gonna start recovering, hopefully, and going up. So let's see where Oxy goes. All right, everyone, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave your opinion in the comment section, and I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.